Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing K-tip install and removal. I did do a similar video to this a couple months ago, but I'm going to record something a little bit slower, a little bit better for you guys. Today my client is installing some K-tips. We are doing about 5 packs. And I think we're doing 18 inches, just like a dark brown. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and show you guys how I install. This method is one of my favorite methods to install, so I'm super excited to show you guys and give you a better insight on how to install them, how to remove them, and why they're my favorite method. But yeah, I will bring you guys along. I hope you like this video, and I will see you inside. Okay guys, so this is my client's before. She had previous 18-inch K-tips and we did, I believe, 4 packs. One pack was the blonde pieces that you see, and then the other pack was the mochaccino brown that we did last time. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these. To remove these, you use this spray. It's supposed to help release the K-tips. I got mine from Bellamy, but there's a bunch of other companies that have them as well, so you can go ahead and check those out. I really like the Bellamy one. To remove the K-tips, we're gonna go ahead and spray the release spray for the K-tips. Just spray it a couple times, and then with the pliers you're gonna break it down and then just repeat. So you're gonna do that a couple times and all over the head. This part is very tedious. You want to take your time just so you don't cause any damage or pull out any unnecessary hair. But yeah, you're just going to repeat the steps, spray, break down, and then eventually it will release on its own. When color matching my client's hair to the extensions, I like to grab the extensions and pull out my color book and kind of pick out what swatch I think looks best with the extensions. Today we're going to be using level 4 and 5 because I felt like that matched best. It was right in the middle, not too dark, not too light. And then I'm going to be using level 4 and 5 with 10 volume all over, and then on her money piece I'm going to be doing a different formula since it's platinum and we need to add a little bit of red copper back into her hair, so that formula is just going to be a little different. It's going to be level 5 with level 664, which is like a red copper, and we're going to be adding Olaplex. So this is my client's after. We did her dark brown. It matched perfectly with the extension, so I'm super excited to now have it fully blow dried, and then we're going to go ahead and install. Today we're going to be installing 4 packs of 18-inch K-tips, and the colors I got were mochaccino brown and off black, which you can find on Bellamy's website. My client has very thin hair, so we're going to be taking the K-tip and cutting it in half with these K-tip cutter things. So I go ahead and cut them in half just on her finer pieces of hair. So like around the hairline, she's gonna have finer hair, so I go ahead and cut those in half, and then I will go ahead and install those. So now to apply the K-tip, you're gonna go ahead and grab a little strand of hair and then take your K-tip and just hold it right directly on top of the hair with 0 elevation, just laying it flat. You're gonna apply your heat tool and then heat it up for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll remove your heat, tap it 2-3 times, and then roll. What's really important about doing K-tips is making sure you're sectioning the hair that you're applying to the K-tip is the same size as the K-tip. You don't want your section to be too wide or too tiny. Just make sure that the hair that's holding onto that K-tip is the same exact size as your K-tip. If it's too small, then you're going to cause a lot of damage because it might be too heavy for the hair to hold on. So you just want to make sure it's just the right amount, just the right size as the K-tip. Another important thing to keep in mind is that there's 0 elevation, so you don't want your K-tip to be sticking, high or anything. You want it to have 0 elevation. And also another thing would be no flyaways. Just make sure your sectioning is very clean. You don't want any hairs getting in the way. Just making sure that it's a clean section. This method is my favorite to recommend to clients that are busy and can't come in for maintenance. These are very low maintenance. They're 3 to 6 months wear without having to come in for move-ups. The only thing is you'll have to come in to remove them. And in some cases, you might have to remove all the hair and get new hair. So this hair isn't reusable. My client's hair is more on the thinner side, so for her we went ahead and did 4 packs. I think we had 1 pack that we didn't use since her hair is so much thinner. We really didn't need that much hair. Usually for somebody with medium hair to thick hair, I would go anywhere from like 4 to 5 packs. I like to order just an extra pack just to be safe, especially for clients that have short hair. For my client today, we ordered 4 packs. I believe we used 3, so she was able to save 1 pack. But I always like to order just extra hair just in case we need more hair to blend it. Especially with bobs, I like to order more hair because sometimes they do need a little bit more hair so that the natural hair blends with the extensions. I also do a lot of side cutting, so sometimes that takes a little bit more of the volume off from the hair, so you need extra hair just so it blends well. For this client, we did 3 packs, so I think it took me about an hour and a half to 2 hours to install. I do go pretty quick, but I believe they say it takes about like 45 minutes per pack. So that's about, if you do 5 packs, it might take you, 3-4 hours. It all depends on your speed. But yeah, and if you have a client that has medium to thicker hair, I usually order about 5 to 6 packs. You just always want to have more hair. You never want to have too little hair because then it might not blend. But yeah, always make sure you order more hair just to be safe. And this is our client's final results. The color came out beautiful. The extensions look amazing. It's all blending really well together. And you can see the dimension between the 2 colors. That's why I always like ordering more than 1 shade just to help it look more natural and blend better. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Let me know if you guys like the results or if you'd like me to do another video similar to this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!